Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. So this video is going to be what's in my hospital bag. So before I begin, I just want to say I have a lawnmower dude out front and he is being so loud. I don't even have grass. So he's got to be at a neighbor's house or something, but he is stinking loud. So if you hear anything in the background, that could be it. If I've inserted music into this background of this video, that's why. I wanted to do a minimalist type approach to what's in my hospital bag because I didn't want to carry a bunch of crap that we don't need. So I do have a few things in the car already just in case we need them. Obviously we're going to need the car seat, so we have that installed. We have the stroller in there just because baby and me are going to be home for like 2 months after he's born. We're not going to be using a stroller, and I just didn't want it in here crowding up room. So that's in our trunk. We have the baby mirror set up. We have an emergency changing kit. And then the two things that I'm bringing that I may want to use at some point, not sure if I'll use them or not, is the Boppy Lounger. It's like the big circle type pillow. And I have that in there too, just in case I want to use it. I wasn't 100% sure if I'm going to want to use it or not, but I just have it in the car just in case. I have his fully stocked diaper bag in the car as well. My hospital provides diapers and wipes and all kinds of things, but I wanted to be extra prepared just in case, and we need to get used to bringing his diaper bag everywhere we go anyway. So those items are in the car, and everything I'm about to show you is already packed, already ready, but there is some things that aren't packed yet. So the things we're gonna add last minute are my phone, my purse, my vitamins, my medicines, our important papers, and our pillows. So I have a 3-ring binder of our really important papers. I don't have them packed yet because I have been taking them to all the doctor appointments I've been going to lately. So that will be something we add last minute. The other thing I was interested in bringing was my breast pump. It is the Spectra S1 Plus Premier pump with a rechargeable battery. And I thought about bringing this, but I'm actually going to be taking a breastfeeding class and learn all about breastfeeding and the pump and everything, so I more than likely will not bring that unless a lactation specialist person tells me that I should or something. So that is all the stuff we need to add last minute. And then of course before we leave the house we want to check the cat's food and water and make sure they're okay. So now I'm going to get into showing you what I've packed. There was a video I found online. She was super helpful. I really liked the way she organized and packed her hospital bag, so I will have her video linked down below. But I just really liked how she packed it. So basically I have 2 bags. I have a backpack and I have a suitcase. Now depending on if I bring the pump, I will decide on if I'm going to switch the stuff in a suitcase to a smaller bag, because I may be able to do that. I'm not quite sure. But for now everything's in a suitcase just in case. So I have 2 bags. I have my labor bag, which is like my backpack. Has fun stuff in it, has my blanket in it, you know, things like that. And then my suitcase has all of the necessities in it. First we'll get into my labor bag. It's just a regular backpack. Everything is organized by Ziploc bags. So I have a gallon Ziploc bag and the 2.5 gallon bags. So first in the front zipper of my backpack I have all of my chargers and changing cords and everything. I have a reusable battery here and these, you know, just so we can charge any of our phones. That is in the first zipper. Next, in the main compartment of my bag, I bought these headphones because I thought if I could just have big headphones on and just block out people and noise, maybe that could help me get through labor easily or easier. Then my birthing class teacher, she's a nurse, she said to get one of these 10-foot charging cables. So they were $10. I found mine in a gas station, but it's 10 foot and it fits your phone and it's super awesome, and she said that it's a must. Then I have my fluffy blanket in here just to keep me feeling more at home when I'm at the hospital. Then I have all these things of gum. and they have been smelling up my bag. So all of my stuff in my bag smells like gum. But I'm bringing all of these as nurses' gifts. So basically I'm going to have a box that says like, thank you for helping us bring our baby into the world, and then it's going to have all of these things of gum in it, and the nurses can come by and take what they want. This is my actual labor bag. It is a huge Ziploc full of stuff. I'll take you through it. But basically in this bag I have my robe. Now if you guys watch my vlogs, you guys have seen me wear my gray robe, so I have two robes, but I decided to bring the black robe. I have a spray bottle here so I can mist my face if I get too hot. I have makeup wipes and Kleenex wipes just in case I feel faint and I need to wash my face. I bought these slippers from the dollar store because I'm going to wear these in a hospital and then throw them away after. I have a pair of hospital socks in here. I have some games like Uno and cards for people because I have my husband who's going to be in a room, my mother-in-law, and my grandma, and I didn't want them to be bored. Then I have a handheld fan in here, and I have some small cosmetics in this bag, which is basically some chapstick, some lotion, and some extra change for the vending machines. So the last thing I have in here are these two massaging balls. I got these for $2.99 at the dollar store, and I have heard that these are great during labor, so my husband can rub these on my back or something if I need them. Yeah. So all of that stuff is what is going to be in my actual labor bag itself. So other than that, I feel like I am super packed, but I feel like I'm not overpacked. I'm someone who loves to overpack, so I feel like that isn't overpacking. I feel like everything in there I could possibly use and probably will use. I may do a video on what I actually used in my hospital bag later on. Just depends on how hectic my life is after having the baby. So now we're gonna get into the actual bag. So this is our letterboard and baby book bag. So I have his letterboard and his Just Born sticker. Then on this side I have his baby book, just in case when they do his prints of his hands and feet, they could do it in that book. That would be cool. If not, it's not the end of the world. But I thought I'd bring it just in case.
I am bringing two things that some people say are absolutely ridiculous to bring, but I'd rather be prepared than not. I'm bringing my own toilet paper. I'm a huge fan of my toilet paper. It's like really, really good toilet paper from Sam's Club. So I'm bringing one roll of that, and I'm bringing my own towel, because I hear that the ones at the hospital suck.
So I have those two things. My husband's cosmetic bag, and then my cosmetic bag, which is super, super simple. I'm not one of those people who's bringing makeup to the hospital. I'm just not. I have some shampoo in here. I have a body wash. I have some more makeup remover wipes. I have some dry shampoo, a brush, a toothbrush, some deodorant, and some toothpaste. That is all that I have in there. Now my husband's going to pack his own entertainment bag, so it's going to be like a backpack that just has all of his Kindle stuff in it that will keep him occupied while we're staying there. But in this bag I am going to have a bag that has his cosmetic stuff in it, which is right here, and then his clothes in it too, but we have not packed that part yet. The recovery bag. So this one, if you look close, you can see there's a bunch of recovery type items in here. So I'm not going to take it all out, but I'll show you what's in it. I have a few Depends at the bottom. I have some Tylenol packs. I have some Miralax because I know I'm going to want to get on a stool softener right away. I have some different sizes of pads here. I have some extra socks. I have some nipple cream. I have some nursing pads. I have a nightgown, which if you guys watch my maternity haul video, I show you what it looks like, but it's just kind of like a Grammy looking nightgown that I got at Walmart, and it's in the color black because I hear that's a good idea. Then if we look on this side, I have a nursing bra here. I have a laundry bag, a garbage bag, and then I have a bunch of snacks. But this is basically my recovery bag and has everything that I think that I would possibly need while recovering. And my hospital does give out pads and things like that, but I'm just bringing these just in case. We only have 2 more bags to go. This one is the baby bag. So I have some preemie clothes in here just in case he comes early and it's small. I have 3 sizes of clothes in here. His clothes are in here. I just threw these in here last minute. But he's got preemie, newborn, and 0 to 3 months clothes in here. I have a blankie, some burp cloths, a muslin cloth right here for swaddling. And then I have this bag that has some pacifiers in it. And then I have another bag that has a thing of wipes and like 2 diapers, just in case. So that is baby boy's bag. And in here is also his outfit for going to the hospital. It's just a really fuzzy onesie that has little dinosaur feet and it's super cute. So stay tuned for that picture that we're going to be taking and you can see what it looks like. So lastly, I have going home mom clothes. And in the compartment up there, I also have an extra pair of fuzzy pajamas just in case I need them. But in this bag, this is just going home clothes. I have some flip-flops to make life easier. I have 2 large big shirts. One's like a t-shirt. The other one's like a softer shirt that's just really big. And then I have a pair of pants. They're kind of like what I'm wearing today. But they're pajama pants, and they're just really comfy because I want to be comfy after having a baby. So that is everything I packed in my hospital bag. If there's anything that you think that I should pack that I didn't pack, please let me know. I tried to not pack too much. I tried to just only pack the necessities I think that I would need. So let me know down below how I did. This is our first baby. This is the first time I'm packing for the hospital. And I have watched a ton of videos. And make sure you check out that video down below because I really did follow her Ziploc packing system she had going on. I thought that was super smart. Then, like when I'm at the hospital, I could tell my husband, grab the recovery bag, grab the baby bag, you know, grab my labor bag, you know, and he will know exactly what to grab. So I wanted to make it super easy for him and just as stress-free as possible. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is the last video that I'm filming before baby gets here. So that's kind of crazy. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you did. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!